Good morning, 4th and 5th graders. Happy Wednesday. It is September 16th, and today is your Independent Day for Learning. So I'm going to walk you through the steps in how to figure out your Independent Day and what your assignments are. Here we go. So step 1, you're going to log into Canvas. So I'm going to spotlight search Canvas by pulling down on my iPad and typing in Canvas. I'm going to click on the Canvas app and head on in. And then you will click on your teacher's dashboard. So Mrs. Court's class is going to look a little different than Miss Stacy's class, but you guys should know how to get into class by now. As I go in, my page should load where I see all the buttons. And I'm going to click on this week once it loads. After I've clicked on this week, it's going to take me to week 2, September 14th through the 18th. Today is Wednesday, 9/16, so that's the day I'm going to click on. You're going to be watching this video, and this is going to be your morning meeting with the directions. After you watch this video, then you are going to watch the news and announcements from Mrs. Harden. Right there. And you don't even have to leave Canvas to do that. As I scroll down, 4th grade and 5th grade math is up next. So 4th graders, you're going to complete the next lesson in Zearn on place value. It's called 10 times. When you're done with all the steps for Zearn, you'll choose something from the choice board until 9:30. When I click on the choice board, it should take me to all of the options. That are in the choice board. So again, wrong one. Choice board. Your options this week are Prodigy, Sushi Monster, Slide, Happy Numbers, or Combinations. Remember that you can download Sushi Monster, Slide, and Combinations all from self-service. After I'm done with math, I'm going to go back into Canvas. And then 5th graders, your stuff is very similar. So you are going to do Happy Numbers for 10 minutes as a warm-up, then complete lesson 2 in Zearn. It's called the Digit Dance. When you're finished with lesson 2, you're going to spend 30 minutes in a math app of your choice. Again, set your timer if you need to. After that, we're going to hop into reading. So for reading today, you're going to head to BrainPop and you're going to complete the video on making predictions. Step 1 is to watch the video. Step 2, complete the quiz. Step 3, read the cartoon. And step 4 is to complete the writing activity. And the writing activity is going to be your writing activity for class. So after you finish that, you should be done with reading and writing. I'm going to show you how to get in there. So I am going to go to my school app where BrainPop is at. I'm going to click on that app. And it's going to take me to my BrainPop page. If you're not logged in, which it looks like I'm not, I'm going to press the login button. And I'm going to press G Suite for Education. Always log in with Google when you can. It should say your name then up at the top, or your username for school. And when you go to the dashboard up top, there are going to be assignments for you to do. So your job today is to complete the Making Predictions assignment. In the Making Predictions assignment, there's the movie, the quiz, the cartoon, and then the Write About It project. So for each one, you're going to press go, and it will take you to that part of the assignment. Once you've completed that part of the assignment, that go will go away. So you'll first watch the video, press play, and then you can go back to the dashboard making predictions, and click on, oh, student view, sorry. Then click on the next part. So you're going to take the quiz. So you'll press start and you will answer the questions to the quiz. After you've done the quiz, you can press dashboard again. Read the belly up cartoon, which is right there. And then you're going to complete the write about it section. So the write about it today, you should be able to type right in there again. And when you submit it, it comes right to me. So write about it. Here you go.
Write the beginning of a story about a character. Then write, to be continued. Have a friend predict the ending.
So you are just going to do that beginning part, writing a story, the beginning of a story about a character, and then write to be continued. So in here, you're going to start your writing. So you're going to write on one day there was a cat named Frank. And then you're going to write more about whatever character it is that you would like to write about. If you need help with details, you can click on the word and it will give you more information about adding details and making predictions and evidence to your writing. When you're done, you have to click save, because if you don't, it will not send it to your teacher. So you have to press save. When you're finished with that, you are all done with the assignment in BrainPop. So then I'm going to go back out and I'm going to go back to Canvas in order to see what my next steps are. So I already completed the writing activity. There is nothing for science, and for social studies, you're going to watch the video on the 7 continents. And then I'm going to head over to ReadWorks and complete each article in Discovering Continents. So I'm going to go into ReadWorks. Doesn't look like I have it as a spotlight search. So here I'm going to go into ReadWorks. And in ReadWorks, you will press student login and log yourself in, but I am not a student, so I am going to log in a different way. So your assignments, when I go to assignments in progress, you will have an assignment called Exploring Continents. So when you click on it, there will be 6 different articles for you to read. They're really short and really quick, and you're able to listen to them. So if you wanted to press play and listen, you can do that.
A Country and a Continent by ReadWorks. Do you know which country in the world is also a continent? It's Australia. Australia is the...
After I listen to my article, I'm going to click right next to where it says Passage. It also says Book of Knowledge. In my Book of Knowledge, I'm going to write 2 to 3 facts about Australia that I learned. So I learned... It's not letting me click in there, but you will be able to click in there. And you can write, I learned that Australia is a country and a continent. Or you can write anything that you learned about Australia. You're going to do that with each one of the articles. Remember that you have to press submit. So when you're in your Book of Knowledge, you have to press that blue submit button in order for your assignment to go to your teacher. If you don't press the blue submit button, then you will not get credit for doing your work for the day. So you need to press that button. We need to press the blue submit button. Okay, I think I made my point. All right, after that, then you have 2 other lessons to complete. So there is a library lesson for you to complete, how to be a good digital citizen. There's a video from Mrs. Harden that will be in here, and then you will write down 5 ways that you will be a safe digital citizen this year. Strings is also an option for you. So if you would like to check out the strings page, you can click on that blue link, and it will take you to a page that will give you more information about strings. You can click on different areas of the strings photo and it will take you to different things. So here's information about the viola and Stinky's Blues with the viola. So there's different times that you can listen to different types of music. So you can listen to the violin, the viola, and the cello. So if I click on any of those, it will take me to what I want to go to listen to that sound. And there's Mrs. Huff playing. So you can go ahead and hop in there and listen to the rest of those options. If you would like to sign up for strings, the other option for you to do, like after you've looked at the page and decided you wanted to sign up, you'll click on the Google form and fill this out. So you'll put in your first name, your last name, your email, what school you go to, your grade, who's your teacher, your parents' names, your address, phone numbers, emails, and then answer a little bit more information for Mrs. Hoff. That will probably be something that if you want to do strings, you're going to need to fill it out with your parents because it's a lot of information and they're going to need to know that you want to do strings as well. After you wrap up with that, Miss Stacy's class, you have music, and Mrs. Court's class, I am not sure what you have. I believe you have PE, but I'm not 100% sure. And that will be it for the day. If you want to do 20 minutes of independent reading, that would be really awesome as well. You guys have a great day, and we will see you on Thursday morning.